Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen here in Neath, and today I've got my bestest helper that we've had so far, my oldest son Bradley Davis, and he's come along to help me today to make some
Welsh Cakes.
And why are we making Welsh Cakes, Bradley?
Because next week is St. David's Day.
St. David's Day, that's right. And if you're not from Wales and you don't know what St. David's Day, it is actually the day that we celebrate here in Wales. It's our patron saint. And Welsh cakes are probably the Welshest food that we have. So we're going to be making some of them. And we're not going to be just making the normal Welsh cakes with the raisins. We're going to be making lots of different flavours. So let's dive right in and get on with the cooking. You ready?
Yes.
So to make Welsh cakes you actually need a bakestone, which I've got here. So we're going to start, Bradley, by adding in some cooking margarine. And we're going to be adding in our caster sugar and a lot of sugar, isn't it?
Yeah. And
all of the quantities will be down below with the full recipe if you do want to give these Welsh cakes a go. So we're going to start with our hand mixer. You're going to do this?
Yes.
On the ends I've got dough hooks because instead of a mixer for like a cake, this is going to be a dough. So pop it in first, Bradley, you got it?
Yeah.
Turn it on or do you want me to do it?
I can do it.
Hold it tight. Look down into the mix. Turn it off. There we are, so we've mixed our butter and our sugar together, or margarine and our sugar together. Now we're going to add in our flour. It's quite a lot of flour. Do you want to put it in, do you? Be careful. Oof. And there's just a pinch of salt in there as well. Wait, no. You're an eager beaver. Now we need to add our eggs, which is your favourite part. So now, just be careful with the shell, okay? Ooh, over the pan. Yeah, another one. Yeah. Right, I think you need to go wash your hands. Okay.
Yeah.
While we're waiting for Bradley to come back from washing his hands, which won't be very long, I'm going to add just a little bit of nutmeg. We're going to put the mixer back in now, Bradley. Ready? So can you see the dough starting to form now if I clump it together? Normally, if I was making my normal raisin Welsh cakes, I would just add in the raisins I've been having soaking here into the mix and bring it together to form the dough. But we're only putting raisins in half of this mixture. So I'm just going to add in a bit of the milk. Not too much. And I'm going to start working this with my hand now rather than the mixer. You like Welsh cakes, don't you? But
I don't like the raisins in the Welsh Cakes.
So I've taken off about half the dough. This other half still got some flour to work through, so I'm just going to add in those raisins but leaving the milk. Do you want to do a bit of mixing?
Yes.
There you go, you do that then. You mix those raisins in, the ones you don't like, and I'll wash my hands. Okay, how are you getting on? Oops, leaf.
Getting very sticky. And
Very sticky. Okay, let's get your hands out of here, shall we? Okie dokie. That looks well mixed though.
We'll wash again.
Yeah, you go wash them again. And at this point, definitely going to take it out of the bowl. I forgot to say that I actually soak my raisins in milk overnight, the night before I make my Welsh cakes, which is the key, I think, to keeping the raisins nice and soft. So I'm just going to put some of this flour down, and then we're going to do a bit of rolling. You like rolling?
I do like rolling.
Okay. So we're going to start with a ball of probably about this big. Hang on now, let me do a bit of rolling first. Fingers. You going to do some cutting out as well?
Oh, I like cutting out too.
Okay. So we just stamp them out. Let's have a look at the thickening. Oh, that's about right. So if I show you that there. No, we'll cut some out first. We'll probably cut a few out before we start cooking them. Do you want to stamp them out then? As close as get there as possible. Like that, there, look. Let's move you across. Can you do a bit of rolling for me? Okay, so even pressure and okay.
I pushed too hard.
You did push too hard. Hang on. Start again. There. Right. Okay. So when we're doing it, let's do it together. There we are. Do you want to cut those out then? Right. After we've done this now, should we start cooking them and then you can be on sugar duty?
Yes.
Yes. So after we cook them, when they're still warm, we put them on this plate, which should be full of caster sugar. Roll them in it and then put on the cooling rack to cool down. I put the first 6 on now. We're going to wait for those to cook, and then while we're doing that, we're going to carry on making the Welsh cakes so they're ready. So we've just finished cutting out all of our Welsh cakes.
Yes.
Which we did quite quickly. So this one's cooked now. So we've put it into the sugar. So we're literally going to give it a little sugar twirl. And then it goes on a cooling rack then. Do you want to try a bit?
Okay.
Have a taste? What do you think?
Ooh, I like that actually. Yep.
That's fudge. We're going to make some fudge rolls.
Oh, I love fudge.
And do you know what these are?
No idea.
Do you want to try one? Do you know what they are and you just want to try one?
I really don't know.
Okay, you try that one then.
Oh my gosh, that's so nice.
What's that?
Chocolate something.
Chocolate chips.
Oh.
This one? Smell. Don't taste this one. Know what that is?
No idea.
Ginger. We're making some ginger ones. With a little bit of lemon zest. Then we're going to be putting some lemon zest in one of the plain doughs, and we're going to be filling that with lemon curd when it finishes. We're going to be filling some with Nutella. We're going to be filling some with jam, and we're going to be doing some with sprinkles,
Yay!
which I think your brother and sister are going to really like. So this one. So we've just lost Bradley for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to I've just divided the balls of dough into 7 because we have 7 different flavours to do. I'm just going to add some of these lovely sprinkles. They're Dr. Oetker sprinkles. I just thought they were quite pretty. Roll out now. See what they look like. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so the next flavour I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be leaving completely plain. So I got 2 bowls there, half of the Nutella, half of the jam. And we're going to be doing the fudge ones now. So we're going to be putting some fudge in.
I like fudge ones. They're like one of my favourites.
I think they're going to be nice too. Let's roll out our fudge ones, see where we are. Oh, there's lots of fudge in there, Brad. You can see all the fudge?
Oh yeah.
What do you think? Do you want to cut these ones?
Yeah, I want to cut these ones.
Okay, there we are. Do you want to cut them then?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next flavour that we're going to be doing is the ginger and lemon zest. So we've got a lemon here. I'm going to be doing about half the zest into this dough. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of that. Maybe just a little bit more. I'm going to sort of fold it over. Okay, so let's try and roll this ginger and lemon one out.
And then we can cut it. Just going up on the rolling pin, sticking it on the rolling pin. Can I do some cutting now?
Yeah, good. As close as you can the next one. Bradley disappeared again to go wash his hands. So we've got 2 flavours left. I'm going to use a bit more lemon zest in this one. And then this one's going to be filled with homemade lemon curd. The fudge smells nice. Can you smell the fudge cooking?
Oh,
the fudge is
yeah.
starting to melt inside the Welsh cakes and it smells really nice.
Yeah, I can smell it. Oh yeah. And now I've got sugar again. It's like
You're gonna wash your hands again, do you?
yeah.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Every minute.
Last one's chocolate chips, Brad.
Okay, look at the movie.
Okay, so we're going to put in some chocolate chips.
I don't ever want to miss this one. I love chocolate chips.
You can really smell the chocolate as well.
I can really smell them. I can just really smell it. It's really the only thing I can smell.
Do you think that's enough chocolate chips?
Not really.
Do you think? What do you think? It's time for you to go to bed now.
It's very.
So did you enjoy making Welsh cakes for me?
I enjoyed a lot, actually.
Do you want to eat before you go to bed? What flavour are you going to choose? Should I guess? Fudge?
Nah. I'm quite a lot.
Nutella?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
Have a little bite then, tell me what you think.
Oh, it's nice.
Have a bit?
It's nice.
Well, thank you very much for your help.
Yeah.
I should always eat after I finish talking. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Bradley's going to go to bed now. If you did like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification button, which is a little bell by the side. That tells you when I post videos. I'll be doing more videos with the kids as the weeks go on. They're desperate to come onto the channel. So we'll have Amelia, Harrison and Jackson joining us very soon. We've got more videos coming up with John off Bake Off. And I've also got a few other videos lined up in and around Wales, which I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, please leave me a thumbs up and thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you soon and happy St. David's Day.
Well, that was a good time.